നമസ്കാരം. നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു ഓണം ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. I'm Pratiksha Manglekar and I welcome you to my channel for a festival special video on Onam. This is the 10th episode in my speechcraft series. I'm celebrating Onam as my husband is a Malayali. If you want to see how we celebrate the festival, make sure to watch the video till the end. Onam is one of the most vibrant and culturally significant festivals of India. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm in the beautiful state of Kerala, where it is not just a festival. It's a celebration of heritage, culture, and the values that define them as a community. To truly appreciate the significance of Onam, we must first delve into the rich tapestry of myth and legend that surrounds it. The story of Onam is deeply rooted in the legend of King Mahabali, a revered and a just ruler who once governed Kerala. Under his reign, it is said that Kerala experienced its golden age, a time when peace, prosperity, and happiness prevailed. The people of Kerala loved the King Mahabali so much that the gods themselves grew envious of his popularity and power. Fearing that Mahabali's influence would surpass even that of the gods, Lord Vishnu incarnated as Vamana, a dwarf Brahmin. Vamana approached King Mahabali and asked for 3 paces of land. Being the generous king that he was, Mahabali agreed. To his surprise, Vamana grew enormous in size, covering the earth and heavens with just 2 steps. Realizing that the 3rd step would take away everything he had, Mahabali offered his head for the final step. Vamana, moved by king's humility and devotion, granted him the boon of visiting his people once every year. This annual visit of King Mahabali is what we celebrate as Onam. Onam is more than just a celebration of this mythological tale. It marks the Malayalam New Year and the end of monsoon season, heralding a bountiful harvest. For the people of Kerala, Onam is a reminder of a time when everyone, regardless caste or creed, lived in harmony and the land was blessed with abundance. The festival is secular in nature, bringing together people of all religions and communities. It is a time when the social fabric of Kerala is woven tighter as families and friends come together to celebrate the joys of life. Let us talk about the various rituals and celebrations. The festivals of Onam span for 10 days, each day imbued with its own significance and customs. One of the most beautiful aspects of Onam is the Pookalam, the intricate floral arrangement that adorns the courtyards of homes. As each day passes, the Pookalam grows in size and in complexity, symbolizing the welcoming of King Mahabali. No celebration of Onam is complete without the grand feast known as the Onam Sadya. Served on banana leaves, this elaborate vegetarian meal consists of a variety of dishes, each adding its own flavor to the feast. The Onam Sadya is a celebration of Kerala's culinary richness, bringing together flavors that reflect the diversity and abundance of the land. My mouth is watering. The snake boat race or Vallam Kali are a sight to behold during Onam. These traditional long boats, rowed by teams of oarsmen in perfect unison, compete in thrilling races of Kerala's backwaters. The energy, the rhythm, the excitement of Vallam Kali are symbolic of the unity and teamwork that are the heart of Onam. Onam is also a time to celebrate Kerala's rich cultural heritage through performances of traditional art forms. Kathakali, with its elaborate costumes and dramatic expressions. Thiruvathirakali, a graceful dance performed by women. And Pulikali, a playful tiger dance, are just a few examples of the vibrant cultural expressions that come to life during Onam. Traditional games and sports known as Onakalikal are integral part of the celebration. From tug of war to martial art displays, these activities bring communities together the spirit of friendly competition and joy. While Onam is steeped in tradition, it also has evolved with time. Today, Onam is not only celebrated in Kerala but also by Malayali communities around the world. The festival has become a global event with celebrations taking place in countries like United States, United Kingdom and the Gulf nations where Malayali populations reside. The festival attracts tourists from all over the world, eager to witness the grandeur and warmth of Kerala's culture. In conclusion, Onam is a festival that transcends the boundaries of religion, class, and geography. It is a celebration of the ideals of equality, generosity, and harmony, as exemplified by the legend of King Mahabali. Onam reminds us of the importance of staying connected to our roots, cherishing our cultural heritage, and embracing the values that make us who we are. As we celebrate Onam, let us remember the spirit of the festival, one of unity, joy, and prosperity. Let us come together, just as the people of Kerala do, to welcome King Mahabali and celebrate the blessings of life. Thank you and wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Onam. How are you celebrating Onam this year? Let me know in the comments. Like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Here are some snapshots from our previous year's Onam celebrations. Some of you showed interest in the upcoming public speaking workshop. It will be conducted on Sunday, that is 22nd of September 2024 in 2 batches. I've linked the Google form in the description for more details. Hurry up, fill it as soon as possible as the seats are limited. Book your seats at this free public speaking workshop. Aishwarya Tindeyum, Samriddhi Tindeyum, Tiruvonam Ashamsikunu. Ellavarukkum ende hridayam niranya Onam Ashamsagal.